All right, now we're going to dive in to the Workflow Secrets properties dashboards. So if you're ready, go ahead and pull up those dashboards and let's dive in together. The property stats dashboard gives you the opportunity to see how any given property is moving through your pipeline from NMLS, under contract, and closing, as well as seeing on the far left-hand side all of those new listings and how they are moving towards a goal that you have set within your system. The really cool thing about this is selecting any given address is going to give you the ability to see where it falls in the stage, as well as how that effort is being moved through your system. Now, the last piece that you can do on the top right-hand side, you have a drop-down filter so that you can sort by any given date range to better understand how those dates are impacting all of the different properties in your pipeline. Thanks again for tuning in to today's training. We hope you had a really great lesson. And if you have any questions at all, feel free and reach out. help@workflowsecrets.info, and our team would be more than happy to help get you squared away. Otherwise, you've got some more lessons to cover, so go ahead and scroll on down and get those started. But we'll see you there.